Yeah, it's pretty easy to get.
Now we should have no problem since we're 2 people, but there's a little bit of tech when it's just 1 person. But we don't need to worry about that.
So we hold this up down.
Alright, I'm gonna give you a shove.
Let's start out like medium and then let you know. Obviously, you'll let me know if you're ready to go.
It's gonna do this really funny bouncy thing when it catches.
What?
Why are you shaking?
I don't know, I just say that. I'm not scared. But like my body's scared. If that makes sense. I don't know why. I'm not scared. Like, I'm like fine.
Well, we'll start off slow.
There you go.
Okay. Hold on if you want, but you don't have to. A little bit. This is probably medium. Oh, here we go. We're gonna exit. Mama just killed a man, put a gun against his head, pulled my trigger, now he's dead. Goodbye, life had just begun, but now you've kind of thrown it all away. Mama, ooh, not to make you cry, so I'm not just, I've never been born at all. Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go. Gotta leave you alone and face the truth. What about pocket method? They're right. They're right. Oh Ooh. Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Sinks were kind of up. All right, we're gonna start moving.
All right. See, it's not even fast. That's definitely as fast as it goes.
Oh no, we're so cooked.
We're not cooked.
You said we won't sink.
We won't. Well, we won't sink.
I think
So
we're
this
supposed
is
to go more head.
level 0, pretty much.
Let's compare it to the background. Okay. That was 0 now. Just walking around and finding something.
I mean, there's no danger, barely at all.
You know, the danger's like water.
Yeah, but like, well, don't worry, it's gonna splash on you. Party on, Garth!
Yeah.
Oh! Okay, so this is about as fast as the pontoon, right? Oh my god! Oh my god! This is way crazy! Oh, we're not. I hope we don't go down. Maybe. Oh no! Oh no! No! Hold on! Oh shit! Oh shit! Okay, well, what we need to do is... Oh no! I feel like I'm being fucked. I'm getting zapped up. Oh no! Charlie! Charlie! Charlie, no! Charlie! Charlie, no! I feel like I want to get the couch. That was a lot. Could you go faster?
Yeah, he said you could. That's all. He can go solo. I want to see.
So much more afraid of the life of the GoPro than my own, so I just want to ditch it. So you just hold on to it, okay?
Yeah.
How do I? Oh, it's recording. Oh, there you go.
Oh, it's sinking. It's sinking.
Oh, if you're sitting. Yeah.
Oh.
We're straight down now, so we're good. You good? Okay. you going again?
Yeah, I guess. I got it on film, Colton. I think you did.
Dude, the tube went 15 to 20 feet in the air after you fell off. You saw it? We believe in you. Just put it in your life jacket and we'll take it home. Yay! Put it in your life jacket, we'll take you home. Stick it up your ass.
We thank you.
Oh, where's that? Oh, there.
Oh, that's funny.